Alright, we're right here at the start of Jalan Pantai at the big gates. We're just going to see what's going on with this rock wall here. Apparently they're starting to build a new rock wall along the front here, so it looks the same here. I'll just go for a walk up here further. Come on, Lucy. Please, come on. Yeah, it's up here. They're extending the rock wall. They're going to start doing right along the front. There's been a lot of really bad erosion here lately in the last couple of weeks, so, and they keep bringing truckloads of dirt down, filling it in with sand, but it just keeps washing out and washing out. Look at it here. It's 3 metres from the footpath, so I suppose from the life-saving tower right through, they've just basically got to rock wall the lot. Wow, look, they are starting a new rock wall down this end as well. We'll walk up there and have a look. Come on, Lucy. Lucy! Come on. What you doing, Liz? We'll see if we can get down here onto the beach. Yeah, I suppose this is the first rocks they're going to put. Looks like they just put a row along here to try and stop the erosion, but it did nothing. It was just washing over the top. So they're going to do a full, proper rock wall, you know. We'll see if we can get down onto the beach. All right. Oh, come on, Lucy. Lucy loves to walk on the beach. It looks like they've had the diggers up here this morning. Maybe they're bringing rocks from up here. Do it. I suppose they're going to build a big rock wall out here, and when they do the sand pumping, fill it in, or else fill it in with trucks. But the idea with the sand pumping pipes was to replenish the beach here and make it a big beach again. So yeah, they are. They're starting a new rock wall down here. So there's also another one further up, which I showed you in that last sand pumping video I did about a month ago. I didn't know they're going to build one down here. Geez, I hope they're not going to build rock walls all the way along, which they could do maybe past this heavily eroded area here. I suppose we'll just have to wait and see how many rock walls. Now, they step in. From the first one, it steps in the next one, steps in the next one, steps in the next one. And this one here is pretty close to the beach. Very close, actually. You can see at low tide, it's nearly dry right out to this new rock wall. Here's the big Neptune statue. See a few guys up here with all their fishing gear. They're waiting. Someone to be going out to get the boat and bring the boat in. I suppose they're going fishing for the day. See the little jukungs, the little outrigger boats. They're parked out there. There's someone on the boat. He'll bring that in and pick up these 2 guys with the petrol and their bags and fishing gear. In the beginning, the plan was for 5 rock walls. Now they've more or less done 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's one up further, 5. So this makes it the 6th rock wall. I wonder how many of them they're going to do. I hope they're not going to do them all the way up the beach. Really ruin the beach, you know. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Hey, bro. Mancing, eh?
Ya, mancing.
Di mana? Sana? Uluwatu tu? Oh, eh?
Tanah lot.
Oh, tanah lot?
Yeah.
Jauh itu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the boys going fishing in the boat over near Tanah Lot, which is a good run in the boat. Wow, look at this big pile. This is all some of the stuff, all the logs and garbage that they took off the beach in that big cleanup. And check out the size of it. There'd have to be 100 truckloads there. Easy. It's massive. So yes, this new rock wall, it's in pretty close to the beach. And a lot of people used to come in this corner here and surf and learn to surf on the malls and that, you know, and sometimes you get a good little wave in here, so that'll be gone now. Unless you get a wave off the side of the rock wall, you never know what's going to happen with the sand build up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6th rock wall. Now, the last time I was here just a few weeks ago, this wasn't even here, wasn't even started. So yeah, they get into it. When they get into it, they get into it quick. You can see all the diggers. There's 3 excavators up there. There's a big dozer, 2 big dozers with buckets There's another 2, 3 excavators. I'm not sure what he's doing over here. It looks like he's just scraping the beach. We'll go up and have a look. Just scraping all the rubbish off the beach, which is good. Just a shallow scrape. They're getting all the rubbish and piling up here. So maybe, you never know, they could be going to use a lot of this for fill up here on the beach. So well, that's one hell of a stack. It's got to be 8 metres high, I suppose. Pretty big. So he's just skimming the beach and then he's dumping it there, yeah. So maybe a lot of this is just all the timber they pulled out off the beach the other week, and they've been skimming the beach so you don't notice it so much, and getting a bit of a sand pile up so they can fill in up there, maybe. But geez, that's one hell of a big pile. Like, check it out. It's massive. But they're full on into it, you know, like, it depends on the tide. They can't do this at high tide because the water's right up here, you know. You can see the water's been rushing right up last night to the pile here even, so they can only do it like if it's low tide in the middle of the night, they'd be down here working, you know. Wow, that's one big pile of logs, and maybe you can get rid of the logs and just try and weed the sand out of it, or just use the everything as fill. Or else they're going to take it all away and dump it, I don't know. Come on, Lucy. Right, that's interesting. So you can see the guys that were just waiting on the beach before, they're just about to hop into this boat. And yeah, off to Tanalot, which is a good run from here. It's way past Chungu. So they'd probably be in a good hour and a half plug in the little jukung to get over there. They're going fishing for the day. I might just wait and see how he gets to go out through these waves. They're pretty good at it. They sort of time it right, and you know, they've been doing it all their lives and they know how to do it. So I'd never bring my boat into the beach like this. Actually, I did a couple of times and I got stranded on the beach once, and I had to get about 10 guys to help me lift and carry me boat out. The tide was going out and it just got stuck. Looks like he's waiting for this to last wave and then he'll go, you watch. Oop. And that's it, he's off, straight out. Yeah, well there's a little quick update anyway on what's going on. I really just come down to check out what they're doing here. So they don't really have much trouble with erosion here. But from here on they do. And it's not for too far, it's only a couple 100 metres, you know, so they'll rock wall that, I suppose, right through to the statue here and hopefully fix that problem. Yeah. That's about it for the Rockwall update. It's probably been nearly 2 months since I've done a Rockwall one. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see. So we'll come down in a month or so, month and a half, and see what's going on. See how much they've done. And keep an eye on that new breakwall. It should be finished in another month, I suppose. They're pretty quick when they get into it. But I feel sorry for these few drink boxes along here. Look, you see the few umbrellas up there. They've just got no room to set up anymore. They still plug away and set up. Maybe once the rock wall's done, they get a bit more sand in there. Another 10 metres of sand out here, and yeah, there'd be plenty of room for them to keep business going. Like, they've really affected for here, for the first up to the Hard Rock Cafe now, all the little drink boxes, they're suffering, you know. There's just no business for them anymore because no one wants to come down and climb down this to get to the beach, and you know, a few people still come for sunset and hang here. But during the day, it's normally pretty well empty. That's about it for this video. We'll get on the bike with Lucy, take her up the beach and have a run. Come on, Lucy, come on.